In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Google Drive on PC and Mac. Whether you're troubleshooting sync issues, switching accounts, or just stepping away from a shared computer, signing out, also called disconnecting your account, only takes a moment. This process stops Google Drive for Desktop from syncing files on your computer, but it doesn't delete anything from your Google Drive in the cloud. You can sign back in anytime and pick up right where you left off. Before we begin, save any open documents to avoid losing changes. It's also a good idea to let any ongoing sync finish, so your latest edits are safely uploaded. On your computer, start by finding the Google Drive icon. On Windows, look in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you don't see it right away, click the small upward arrow to reveal hidden icons. On a Mac, check the menu bar at the top right of your screen. You're looking for the triangular Google Drive logo. Click the Google Drive icon to open the mini control panel. From here, click the gear icon to open Settings. Then choose Preferences. This opens the main Google Drive for Desktop settings window where you can manage your account and sync options. Inside Preferences, locate the Account section. Here you'll see the option to disconnect account. Click Disconnect Account. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Confirm by clicking Disconnect. That's it. You're signed out. After you disconnect, Google Drive for Desktop will stop syncing files on this computer, and the Google Drive menu will show that you're signed out. If you use file streaming, your Google Drive folder or mounted drive may disappear from File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac until you sign back in. If you use file mirroring or have specific files set for offline access, those local copies may remain on your computer, but they won't sync changes while you're signed out. None of this affects your files stored in Google Drive Online. If you ever need to reconnect, open Google Drive for Desktop again, sign in with your account, and your sync settings will be restored. These exact steps work the same on both Windows and Mac, with the only difference being where you find the Google Drive icon, system tray on Windows, and menu bar on Mac. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.